I'm kind of disappointed. I wanted to show you. I wanted to show. What? I wanted to show you my swollenness, like, which is good. Shouldn't really complain, but her can go away. I'll burst my abscess on your face. Are you filming me?
Yes.
Oh God. I'm an ill person. You're not allowed to harass me like this. I hate you.
Hey guys, this is our little vlog for our channel.
Evil! Don't watch them.
We're nice. I didn't know she was filming. She just goes no at me and I'm like, what are you saying? She tried to mouth to me and I didn't get it. I was like, yeah. How are you telling me?
Stop. I have to sit sleeping. What? Sit sleeping up. Sleep sitting up. God, I can't even speak. Like propped up.
Really? I was supposed to sit in.
Some people have black nails.
Dental pain is made worse by lying down. I have to keep my head elevated.
Ugh, cunt. Yeah, my nails are all like, what the hell?
We have the same nails.